difference in playing band and Spur? Anything for you?
No, it's just, I mean, you reading the same keys, but once you, as a band, you're rolling to the post, so you get a better look, a better view on what you're saying. Instead of being like in a box as a Spur. I mean, it's really the same thing, but it's just not rolling to the post as a Spur.
A little more physical down there.
Oh yeah. You got them big guys coming up, you trying to block you and stuff, but you just gotta, hold your own.
Do you like the flexibility of that Spur position? It seems like KJ got to do a lot of stuff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kazir will too.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. Just to show, what tools you have in the toolbox. I feel like I can flex, cover man-to-man, cover zone. I mean, whatever the coach wants me to do, I'll do it. So right now it's just get the defense on the same page and clicking like we were last year. So I mean, I think we were headed in the right direction.
The coach was saying that he thought you could handle man-to-man coverage and that makes a big difference in the entire defense.
Right.
That he doesn't have to do things.
Right.
Obviously, people doubting the defense just because there's so much turnover. As far as all those starters gone, but the 8 plays we saw yesterday, y'all looked pretty good.
Right.
How are the practice reps going against this offense, which is supposed to be pretty good too?
It's very competitive. We come in every day, knowing we have to work. We know we have to get better every day, trying to get the offense better. We get the offense better, then the whole team better overall. So right now it's just, getting used to the players that's on the field with us while we out there. Just having the same chemistry, on the same page. Just being able to be on one accord, and whatever play is called, we execute.
Have you seen much of Toyas?
Oh yes sir.
Can you kind of give the scouting report on him?
Yeah, he's a athletic dude. He can play man-to-man, play the post. He's a great tackler. Well, as far as what I've seen, so he's showing some good things right now.
Is him getting acclimated to the defense pretty simple, or is it overload? How would you?
I mean, coming in as a first-year player here, it's you got to get acclimated to what goes on around here. So, I mean, he's seeing what's going on, how we practice, and he's getting in tune to how we play. So he's picking up on it pretty good.